The LSW West bowling team had a great season this year. They did so well that led them to get a perfect bowling score at Revolution Lanes. Now the team will tell you how they felt on the 300 game.
I kind of filtered out all of the sounds and I kind of just went for it.
To be honest, as soon as the guy announced it, I was super confused who it was. But as soon as I double checked and I heard that it was LSW West, I literally went ballistic.
Like there wasn't really any nerves that were going into it. I just think that throwing a good 3 shots was all I was thinking about.
A remarkable accomplishment. And to see it done in person rather than on TV by a group of kids you coach is just unbelievable.
I feel pretty well about it. I feel like I'm improving a lot. But overall, it all goes to a great cause, and at the end of the year, you shoot pretty well.
Well, to be honest, all that was running through my mind is I don't want to be the one to mess up this streak,
You know, it's been awesome watching people grow in the team, starting off from not knowing nothing, and bowling a 300. And just a few years' time, it's been really awesome watching everybody grow and the strides that they've made.
This team has been amazing over the years. This is their 3rd time in a row going to state. They will be leaving for state on May 6th. This is Aiden Mercer reporting for Titan TV.